Meet the 1969 Dodge Dart, a blacked-out beast from the golden age of muscle cars. Originally built as a compact car, the Dart quickly earned a reputation for surprising performance, especially in its high-powered variants. This one, cloaked in glossy black paint, looks mean, sounds meaner, and roars like an untamed street warrior. The Dart's aggressive styling, bold front grille, sculpted body lines, and chrome accents gave it street presence that still turns heads today. Inside, it's pure classic muscle, minimalist dashboard, bucket seats, and just enough attitude to match what's under the hood. Depending on the trim, the Dart could be fitted with everything from a 225 slant 6 to a fire-breathing 426 Hemi V8, the most feared version. The Dart GTS, or the super stock versions, legendary for drag strip dominance. It's loved for being lightweight, fast, and customizable, a true sleeper muscle car. Whether restored or modified, the '69 Dart continues to be a fan favorite among moper and muscle car fans alike.